Welcome back. In online classes we has been discussed three methods to solve linear differential equation of second order. Today we study fourth method whose name is method of variation of parameter. Now method of variation of parameter. Method of variation of parameters. This is the fourth method. Standard form d2y upon dx2 plus p dy dx plus qy equal to r, equation number first. Method can be explained. First we get such CF. Firstly we get such CF. CF means complementary part of solution. Part of solution in which the value in which involve the value two arbitrary constant, that is we can write y is equal to AU plus BV is a complete solution. Equation number 2 is a complete solution of equation number first. We have U and V are C a part of solution. Of C a part of solution. Now to calculate arbitrary constant A and B such that where A is equal to minus integration RV dx upon uv1 minus u1v. Similarly, value of b can be calculated by the integration ru dx upon uv1 minus u1v plus arbitrary constant c2, where u1 comma v1 denote differentiate value of u and v with respect to x. Above method can be extended to linear equation of any order. That is, extension can be explained as above method can be extended to linear equation of any order. Say dq y dx cube plus p d2y dx2 plus q dy dx plus ry equal to s. Equation number first, where p q r s are function of x. Let CF part of solution can be calculated by as u, v, w, then complete solution can be written as y is equal to au plus bb plus cw. Equation number 2. For ABC value, we solve below equations. A1u plus B1v plus C1w. Equation number 3. A1u1 B1v1 C1w1. Equation number 4. A1u2 B1v2 C1w2 is equal to S. Equation number 5. Solving above equation, three, 4, 5, we get value of A1, B1, C1, which by integration will be give A, B, C. Putting these values, in equation number 2, we get required solution of equation number first. Note: such differential equations are solved by method of variation of parameters which are demanding. Complete. Solve some problem by method of variation of parameters. The problem is d2y upon dx2 plus a square y equal to sec ax. Solution. Compared by standard form, then we get value of p is equal to 0, q equal to a square, r equal to sec ax. For CF, d square plus a square y equal to 0. That is auxiliary equation. M square plus a square equal to 0. M equal to plus minus ai. CF equal C1 cos ax plus C2 sin ax. Let y equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax. Equation number 2 is a complete solution. Let u equal cos ax, v equal sin ax. u1 is equal to minus a sin ax. v1 is equal to a cos ax. uv1 minus k u1v equal a, where a is equal to minus integration rv dx upon uv1 minus u1v equal to minus value of r sec ax, value of v sin ax, dx value of uv1 minus u1 v a, that is by integration minus 1 upon a log sec ax plus c1. Similarly, we can calculate value of b is equal to r u dx integration u v1 minus u1v is equal to integration sec ax into cos ax dx upon a, that is b is equal to x upon a plus x upon a plus c2. Now complete solution. Y is equal to, putting the value of a and b in equation number 2, 1 upon a square log cos ax plus c1 cos ax plus x upon a plus c2 sin ax. Now solve next problem. Problem is d2y upon dx2 plus 2 dy dx plus y equal to e to the power minus x upon x. Solution is compared by standard form, then we get value of p is equal to 2, value of q is equal to 1, value of r equal to e to the power minus x upon x. Now for CF, d square plus 2d plus 1 y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation m plus 1 का whole square equal to 0, that is value of m minus 1 minus 1. Then CF can be written as c1 plus c2x e to the power minus x. Let y equal to a e to the power minus x plus b e to the power x e to the power minus x, equation number 2, that is equation number first. where u equal e to the power minus x, v equal x e to the power minus x, u1 equal to minus, v1 equal to e to the power minus x e to the power minus x, u v1 minus u1 v equal e to the power minus x e to the power minus x e to the power minus x or plus e to the power minus k 2x into x. This term is by cancelled by this is equal to e to the power minus 2x. We have a is equal to minus k rv dx upon uv1 minus u1v plus arbitrary constant. After this, minus value of r e to the power minus x upon x, value of v x e to the power minus x, value of u1 v1 minus u1 v e to the power minus k 2x dx, cancel by this is equal to minus k x plus c1. Similarly, value of b is equal to ru dx upon uv1 minus u1v equal to e to the power minus, रोक दिया, हटा दो, value of u equal e to the power minus x dx upon uv1 minus u1v e to the power minus k 2x. This is cancelled by this. This is cancelled by this. Then we get log x plus c2. Log x plus c2. Putting these value of a and b in equation number 2, we get required solution. That is from equation number 2, y is equal to minus k x plus c1 e to the power minus x plus log x plus c2 x e की power minus x is a complete solution. Solve next problem. Problem is d2y upon dx2 minus k 6 dy upon dx plus 9y equal to e to the power 3x upon x square. MTU 2017. Solution is compared by standard form. Then we get value of p is equal to minus k 6, q equal to 9, r equal to e to the power 3x upon x square for CF, d square minus k 6d plus 9y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation m minus 3 का whole square equal to 0, that is value of m 3,3. Then CF equal to C1 plus C2x e to the